Do you need a quick winter window display? First, I used Twinkle Create to design my own display banner saying sliding into the new year. Next, I looked on Twinkle to find some images of some penguins that I could use for the display. I found the correct images of penguins that I needed, so then decided to print them out. I used some leftover white wrapping paper to make a snowy slope. I then put my window display together. There are lots more winter display ideas available on the Twinkle website.